Hello everyone! Look at what arrived today! A surprise book parcel! Let's open it together and see what books we got! Wow! We can see a lot of books here. I love this sound. Wow, so many books. Let's see them one by one. I got this for free. See, there's a big collection here. All right. Now, first we have Bluey the Beach. Then we have the pool, Bluey the Pool. Then it's all about Bluey. And we have Hey Duggee, Countdown to the Christmas, Lift the Flap books. And then we have Duggee and the Christmas badge. And we have Bob Bilby Bluey. And then we have Hey Duggee, Duggee and the Magical Unicorn. And then we have Bluey Baby Race. And then we have Bluey Goodnight Fruit Bat. And then we have Bluey Easter. And finally, I was waiting for these books for so long. It's Cocomelon coloring book. See? Oh my God. I can't wait till I color these books. Okay. Let's sort them into collections. Now this is Cocomelon. And this is Bluey. This one also Bluey. This one also Bluey. And this is Hey Duggee. Bluey, Duggee, Duggee, Bluey, Bluey, and Bluey. We have a lot of Bluey books. So, are you waiting, Bluey friends? And Hey Duggee friends? And my lovely little Cocomelon? I love grouping them by characters. I'll be reading all these in future videos very soon. Which book should we read first? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more book unboxing and story videos. Love you everyone. Bye-bye.
BookTube Kids.